Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be testing out the SUPERVOOC ultra fast charging here on the OnePlus 13. As you can see here to my left, we do have a timer. Over here to my right is the original charger that comes in the box. This is the 80-watt fast charging brick right here. This is capable of 100-watt fast charging speeds, but that 100-watt charger you do have to pay separately for. For now, we're just going to use the 80-watt fast charger that comes in the box and see just how long it takes to charge up the OnePlus 13. I will be throwing it into a hyperlapse to speed things up a bit here, but we are currently down to, let's see, 2% battery life. So once this gets to 1% battery life, we will go ahead and start this charging test. All right, so I've got it down to 1%. As you can see here, it threw itself into the low battery mode. It says charge your device now. So that is exactly what we are going to do. So let's go ahead and get the cable here. And here we go, 3, 2, 1. Start the timer now. And we are off. Ultra fast charging SUPERVOOC. And look at how fast this takes off. Look at that. Boom. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, so this is pretty insane right here. We are just a little past the 5-minute mark. We are already, check this out, at 22% battery life. Look at that, 22% in just 5 minutes. And you gotta remember, this is a 6,000 milliamp battery that we are powering up here. And as far as speed goes, I mean, look at that, 23% in still, 5.5 minutes. So doing very, very good so far, but let's keep it going. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are back and we are up to, let me get rid of this. We are up to 54% battery life in just 15 minutes. This is insane. So say you woke up late for work one morning, your phone died overnight, you only got 15 minutes to get ready for work. Well, boom, your phone will be charged at, a little bit more than half of the battery life, which should still get you through an entire day with medium to light usage, or at least until you get off of work. 55% now, and still less than 16 minutes. Crazy, crazy fast speeds that we're getting here when it comes to the charging. I mean, it's like I said in past videos about the OnePlus 13 right here, this has really changed my charging habits, at least when it comes to using this device right here, and even back to the OnePlus 12. I don't have to charge overnight if I really don't want to. I can get up in the morning, throw the phone on the charger. It's good for me by the time, I'm ready to start my day. So not doing too bad at 16 minutes, 56% battery life. Let's keep it going. All right, what the heck? We are at the 25-minute mark and we are already up to 80% battery life. Remember, this is a 6,000 milliamp battery, and the fact that we are already at 80% battery at the 25-minute mark is insane. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm super impressed because honestly, I always knew this phone can charge fast just from using it all the time and charging it all the time, but I never really paid attention to the time and how long or how quick it actually took to charge it all the way up to 100%. So I'm being mind blown right now, just seeing the time and seeing where we're at now at 81%, almost at 26 minutes. Let's keep it going all the way to 100% and let's see where we will be when we get to 100% there. All right, so we have made it. As you can see, it now says battery, fully charged, charging complete. So it did hit that 100% battery life mark at 40 minutes, just about, and now at, we'll call it 42 minutes because it's about to hit 42. So at 42 minutes, we hit 100% battery life. And in my opinion, that is not bad at all for a 6,000 milliamp battery. I know with the OnePlus 12, it did charge a lot faster, but that's because it does have a smaller battery at 5,000 milliamps. This is a 6,000 milliamp battery, 42 minutes to fully charge from 1% all the way to 100%. If you ask me, that is some pretty fast charging. Definitely super convenient, especially, I mean, like I said, you can charge this in the morning as you're getting ready for work. By the time you're ready to go to work or start your day, boom, you have more than enough battery life to get you through the day. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the charging speeds here at 80-watt SuperVOOC ultra fast charging here on the OnePlus 13? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.